Hey folks, it's Micah with Funtown RV, and today we're going to be checking out the 2025 Heartland Corterra 25.2RK. Let's go. Up front, we're going to have pass-through storage space so we can put all the cargo, all the extra cargo we need, shove it right in there. We'll have solid steps on both of our two entrances. One will be to our master bedroom, one is going to be to our living area. Up front, we're gonna have two power stabilizers. Here in the back, we're gonna have the LCI Ground Control 3.0 auto level. That's gonna be 2-point auto level, so you'll have two jacks for that. When we get to the back, we're gonna have our outside kitchen area. So we have our griddle, we're gonna have our camping fridge, beer fridge, whatever you wanna use. Then we're gonna make our way to the back side. We're gonna have that spare attached to the frame. We're pre-wired for a backup camera. We also have the Lippert extendable ladder connection, ladder sold separately. We'll also have the power cord connection. This will be 50 amp service. We're also gonna have our coax connection, so if we wanted to use a satellite or the cable, we can connect it there. This model is gonna be equipped with the Suburban on-demand tankless water heater. So we'll have our water heater station right out here. We'll have our sewage connection right below. As we make our way around the exterior, we have some of our water connections, so whenever we're at the park or whenever we're camping and we have access to that hose with a faucet, we'll connect it right here at our city water connection. As we wrap around, we get to see the other side of our pass-through storage bay. We also will have our auto level controls right up here on the wall. Right next to it will be a diagram letting you know how to use all of those controls. Up front, the Lippert electric tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks, and then we're gonna have the marine grade deep cycle battery right behind it. And if you're ready, we can hop in. So as we step into this rear kitchen, we have a ton of counter space back here, a ton of prep space. We're gonna have the farm style sink. So whether you're making meals, whether you're just getting things ready or prepped or heating something up, you got all the space you're gonna need. Above, connecting cabinets all the way through. A ton of drawers and storage down below. 3-burner gas cooktop. We'll have our oven below that as well. We got the range. We'll have our microwave, 10 cubic foot, 12 volt, and 110 fridge. Some additional pantry space. Those cabinets are pretty deep. We don't have to worry about the shallow cabinets in here. So when breaking down our bed space into another sleeping spot, we're gonna take that tabletop off of the leg connections. We'll take our legs out. Prop this back here. We've already removed our back cushion, so we're gonna lift up the bottom one, have access to our storage compartment, stow these bad boys away. We'll take that tabletop, drop it down on that brace. We'll take our larger cushion, slide that thing in the middle. We'll grab this extra piece, put this one in place, and then we have our second bed space. Next, we're going to demonstrate the third sleeping option in this Corterra. We'll remove our back cushions. These are adjustable, so if it's not level, you can always adjust them to make sure you're at the level sleeping spot. Drop the back down. And we have a third sleeping option. Our entertainment center area, our smart TV with cabinets on both sides. Now as we make our way through the bathroom, we have a full standing shower. We got the skylight for a little bit of extra headroom. So for some of you taller folks, even if you're 6'2", maybe even a little taller, this will be perfect for you. You'll have room to do everything you need to do, handle your business, and then some. In the vanity, we're gonna have a medicine cabinet, storage below. tankless water heater control pad. We'll have some additional storage under the bed. Not too much, but just a little bit. And then our hanging spaces on both sides. Those will go all the way back, and then connected storage all the way across the top. And then right behind you, we're gonna have some extra closet space. So Heartland's really given us a ton of extra space. They've utilized all the little nooks and crannies, so we get all that extra storage, whether you need shoes, clothes, extra blankets, whatever you're gonna take, you're gonna have a ton of storage for it. This rear kitchen model is gonna be typically for weekend stays or for couples. You do have the additional sleeping, but you can always entertain solo or with guests. This is the 2025 Heartland Corterra 25.2RK. Thanks for watching. Next, we're gonna demonstrate the third sleeping option in this Corterra. We'll remove our back cushions